Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Django to PostgreSQL with environment variables, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Django to PostgreSQL using environment variables, start by ensuring you have PostgreSQL installed on your system. Next, create a new PostgreSQL database for your Django project. Open a terminal and log into your PostgreSQL command line using the command psqlu postgres. Create the database by running the command create database your database name. Exit the PostgreSQL prompt with \q. Now, create a new Django project if you haven't already done so. Use the command Django admin start project your project name to set up the project. Navigate into your Django project directory with cd your project name. Next, you'll need to install the required PostgreSQL adapter for Python. Run the command pip install scicop2 binary in your terminal. Once installed, open your Django project settings file located at your project name /settings.py. Locate the databases setting in this file. You'll need to modify it to use PostgreSQL as your database engine. Change the default setting to use PostgreSQL with the following configuration. Set the engine to django.db.backends.postgresql. For name, enter your newly created database name in quotes. Under user, input your PostgreSQL username, typically Postgres. Next, set the password field to your PostgreSQL password, ensuring you keep it secure. The host should be set to localhost if the database is on your local machine. Set the port to 5432, which is the default port for PostgreSQL. After configuring the database's setting, it's important to utilize environment variables for security. Install the python.env package by running pip install python.env. Create a new file in your project directory named .env. In the .env file, define your database connection details like this. Database name equals your database name. Database user equals your Postgres username. Database password equals your Postgres password. Database host equals localhost. Database port equals 5432. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.